So as you can see, you can download 116,854 plus no copyright, royalty-free music tracks, and many other things too, which I'll talk about later. In today's video, you're going to learn how to download MP3 songs using Chrome in 2025, an easy music download tutorial. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment a heart. First, open Google Chrome. Then search for Pixabay. Pixabay is a free website where you can find and download high-quality images, videos, and music for personal or commercial use. All content on Pixabay is royalty-free. This means you don't have to pay or give credit to use it. But there are some important details to be aware of, which we'll discuss later. Now simply go to the first link that appears. From the search bar here, you can find music, images, and videos to download. But for our purpose, head to the top right corner and click on the 3 lines. From there, select music. Now, you can use all this music. If you want to search for something specific, like I usually search for no copyright music, you'll get even more results. And if you want to download a music track, just click the download icon. The music will start downloading. You can open and listen to it from there. If you want to listen on your phone, go to the My Files app. Go to Downloads, and you'll find the music you just downloaded. Now, there are a few important things to keep in mind. Don't upload or sell Pixabay content without modifying it. Just using it as is not allowed. And if you're using the music on YouTube, you might get a Content ID claim. Use the provided license to remove it. And if you downloaded any music, type yes in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.